go.
What's up, YouTube? Your girl Danella Mill here, back again with another video. Today I will be showing you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to accomplish this beautiful blunt cut quick weave protective bob. If you're interested in knowing how, just stay tuned. But first, before we get into the video, I would like to thank all of you guys that have already commented, liked, and subscribed on my channel. It is so appreciated. You don't even know how much you guys are helping me out. I am on a journey to 1K subscribers, and I just can't thank you enough. If you're new here, if you like this video and any of the other videos that I have posted on my channel, please comment, like, and hit that subscribe button. Your girl can use the help. With that being said, let's get to the video. Okay, let's prepare ourselves for our quick weave. The first step will be to part out our leave out section. I suggest at least 2 finger widths apart as a leave out measure to ensure coverage. If you leave out anything less, you may have some exposure. So as a minimum, I suggest 2 finger widths apart. Now, if your hair is a little thinner, you may want to leave out about 3. As you see here, I have a somewhat of a curve in my part, and I will also follow that curve by leaving out a little bit more hair of my edges in the front. That is optional, you don't have to, but I just like to have a curve in my part, that's all. The next step would be to braid your hair down for your base. Now, you can base your hair in different ways. You can base your hair with braids, you can base your hair with twists, you can base your hair with gel, or even a ponytail. Whichever way. As a base, as long as it's flat, that's all that matters. That's really the main thing, is just to be sure that your hair is flat when you're about to lay your tracks down. And after that, I'll be adding some wrapping strips, and you'll see this in the video. I'm just trying to say it now because the video goes kind of fast when it gets to the wrapping strips and the stocking cap, so I'm mentioning it now. I'll also have links in the description bar for where you can purchase all of the products that I am using in this video. Okay, here's the wrapping strips, and then I will be applying the stocking cap. And please subscribe as you see the subscription button. Okay, now the stocking cap will be going on. Now let's get to the glue. When applying the glue, it is best to be sure to follow that track and making sure you don't get any glue on your hair. As well as applying the glue, be sure to lay it directly on the stocking cap so that it is and will be a protective quick weave. You don't want anything to be touching your hairline, your nape, or your edges, which is why we went through the extra protective measures of applying the wrapping strips and the stocking cap. But you see here, I'm basically just applying the hair glue to the tracks and laying the tracks one on top of the other, one by one, until I get to the top of my head. And I know I'm messing up all my words, but I have done this voiceover like 20 different times. I'm not changing it, so I apologize. And I'm about to shut up in a second because I know I'm talking too much. So after I apply the tracks, you'll see me cutting the hair. And once I cut the hair, here we are now. And your girl is looking cute. That's kind of cute right there, honey. Shoot. Okay. Okay, yeah, so I'm about to start cutting my hair now. I cut my hair in 3 different sections. And that's just so that my cut is not too thick on the end, so when I start to style it, my style lays in the way I want it to lay. Now, some people cut their hair all at once and they go back in and thin it. I just like to, you know, thin and cut and get it all right as I go. I don't like to go back in and thin it. And plus, I'm not as good as a precise cutter. I'm seasoned, but I always will, you know, I always mess up my cuts. So this kind of helps me when cutting my hair, because if I mess up one layer, I can always cover it up with the second layer. So if you're not seasoned like me, if you're not seasoned like me, you can just cut it in layers, because you can always kind of cover up your mistakes. And when I say layers, I don't mean like cutting layers into your hair. I mean basically cutting your hair in different sections. See, I messed up. So yeah, cut your hair in different sections, but at the end you're not even going to be able to tell because I cut it in different sections. So that's a good trick. Just follow that cut all the way around. And you see, like, that hair was getting everywhere. So if you decide to do this at home and in your bathroom, be sure to put down some type of plastic or a trash bag, because I had hair everywhere. I'm still cleaning up hair. So if you don't want to run into the same problem I'm running into, I suggest you put something on the ground, because hair was just everywhere. Okay, the cut is done. That girl is cute. Okay, that's real cute. Okay, now that we're done, I'm just basically just styling the hair with my iron flat iron. I will leave a link in the description bar, like I stated below, of all the products, as well as the iron flat iron that I use, which is my favorite, my go-to. And I basically just go around and just bump the ends all around the hair. After that, I'll be done. I really appreciate you guys checking me out. So if you have any questions, or if you would like to suggest any styles that you would like for me to do, please leave a comment below. I am always open to hearing what you guys have to say, or suggestions that you have. And I really appreciate you guys checking me out. Stay tuned, because I got some more bangers to come. Thank you. See you next time.